Hi, this is Phil Hartman with PH Fabrication and Horton Race Cars. Just wanted to give you guys a weekly shop update. Hope everyone's doing well. So it's been a busy week here at the shop between the land speed car and the 55 Chevy Gasser. And over the weekend we had Bobby Hilton down with the Great Expectations front engine dragster. They had a little bit of an engine explosion in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and it damaged their belly pan along with some tin work. So when they came down, I was able to build them a new belly pan and then fix the tin work and got them back on their way up to Cincinnati to their shop, and hopefully see them on the racetrack here shortly. And on the land speed car, I was able to get the canopy all finished up. So with the land speed car, we got a canopy from DSR, and it was a really nice piece, and then ended up having to modify it and make it fit to this car. So to make this canopy fit, we had to trim this section back a little bit to fit the contour of this roll bar just a little bit closer. Now, like I said, this canopy is set up for a DSR dragster, and with the land speed car being a little bit wider, we had to hand form panels to adapt the canopy to the land speed car. We also had to make an extra front cover or body panel to adapt to this canopy. And you can see it's a little bit tricky to see in the picture or in the video, but we got a little bit of a hump here to match the canopy. And this whole panel goes from flat here, which is just a flat nose that was already done, to my panel being flat and then radiused to fit the contour of this canopy. So it's a little bit of work to get everything to match, but really pretty happy with how everything turned out. Now, this car had an original canopy on it, and there it is, and we didn't change any of the original body panels. So for some reason he needs to go back to his old canopy. All he has to do is take this one off and the old one will fit right back on. Everything down to the latch mechanism is all the same. Same with the gas shock. Everything is mounted exactly the same as the old one. So really pretty excited to get this car back to the customer, and I know he's excited to get it back out to Bonneville. I think Speed Week's coming up faster than we think. So can't wait to see how that runs. Now over here on the 55 Chevy Gasser, Jeremy's been busy getting the front end back under it, along with getting the motor mounted, radiator mounted, the front hood, fiberglass hood mounted. So hopefully by the end of the week, we'll have everything together and back on the ground, and probably have the customer come down and pick it up. All that we have left today is really to run some brake lines, make sure all the wiring is good on the motor again, and get this thing on the ground, make sure everything works like it's supposed to. Now over here in the far bay, we've got this other 55 Chevy Gasser, and once we get the land speed car moved over into this far bay, then I'll get the 55 back in the main part of the shop and get on it. We've got get the seats mounted, pedals mounted. A lot of the parts should be in today, so looking forward to getting back onto this car. Now we also have a bunch of small projects to finish up. I've got a customer that I've done some metal work for him before, and actually this panel I did for him about probably 3-4 years ago, but he had it powder coated and we took all the copper rivets out of the Chevy symbol. So I'm gonna put the copper rivets back in it for him and get that back out the door. But like I said, we've got a lot of small projects that keep coming in and out of the shop, and very, very thankful for all of our customers and people that support us. And I also want to give a shout out to SRI Performance for all your continued support, Bailey Industrial for building some great equipment, and TMS Titanium for all your help when it comes to the titanium material that we use on a lot of these race cars. Well, that is it for the weekly shop update. I hope you guys all have a great 4th of July, and stay safe, and talk to you all soon. Bye.